Zip zip. Right. So we will continue our program that we have started last time. So last time we designed our login form, our sign up. So we have also added our codes and how to block or unblock a user. Okay, then we have two types of users. Okay, we differentiated two types of users. We have here the standard users and the administrator. Okay, so when the administrator kumbaga nag-login siya dun sa system. Okay, alright, so ang mangyayari dyan, lahat ng features, all features will enable. Okay, otherwise yung isa naman, when the standard user log into the system, okay, it disable or yes, disallowed the access dun sa my administrator part. Okay, and of course the administrator will enable, or when we have here block or unblock a user, or approve or disapprove a user, okay, that was created, right? So and of course, we also created our database. Ano yung database natin? DBOOP2. Okay? And then we added a table, TBL users, to store the different users on your system. Okay? So for now, we will continue, and then we will be adding maybe, okay, ito. So our program here is maybe a library. Let's try to add a library system, kumbaga. In here, maglalagin yung user, and then mag-add siya ng book. We have here the different fields to include, barcode, and then the title of the book, the author, the category, if the book is a journal, a book, or ano pa. And then of course, the year published. Let's say the book was published 2019, ganyan. And then the quantity, if you are adding book, let's say the librarian acquired 5 books on this. Okay? So, ito yung quantity niya. And then is-save niya. And then may store naman sa ating database. For now, ito muna. And then we will continue later on borrowing the book. And then, yun. Okay? So, last time, ito yung ating database. We have here our database, DBOOP. And then, as you can see, we have here the table. So the table, TBL user stores the different users. And then it says here, or sasabihin niya dito, the level, standard, or as either standard or administrator, and its status. And again, if one, approve or allow to log in on your system. If zero, it means blocked or disapproved. And of course, we will be creating a table to store the different, or the book. Okay, to store the book. Now, ito, ang table natin, ang database, hindi nyo, or wag kayong gumawa ng database or table na i-store nyo lahat-lahat sa isang table. Okay? So ito, table users to store the different users. Now, we will be creating a table to store naman the books. To store the books. Okay? So we'll be creating table on the books part. Okay, so how to create your table using, again, we are still using the WAMP server. Okay, so open your browser or any browser, then type nyo dun sa URL part localhost/phpMyAdmin, and then lalabas ito. Okay, so we have here our database DBOOP, and then we create table. To add new table, just click on the database name, not the table. Okay, database name ito, and then type the name of the table. Okay, so we'll be adding a table in this to store the information na input natin dito. So maybe we'll be naming the table as TBL books, the number of columns. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Let's try 7. Okay? 7. Type natin yung 7 and then click on the go button. Alright? So first, we have here book barcode. We will set the barcode as the mamaya na lang siguro. Next, barcode. After barcode, book title, author. Title, author. Take note, yung ating field names walang space yan. Category, field. Category, and then field. What else? Year published or year pub. And then the quantity of the book. All right. So for the barcode, depende. So we will be using varchar kasi what if gusto ko may letters dun sa barcode, hindi lang number. Okay? And then the length, we will be adding a length. Let's say, wala naman siguro abot ng 20, sabihin natin 30. The book title, okay, varchar din yan. Okay, let's say the book title, 300. Author, varchar din. Gawin natin 100. The category, varchar din. Mamili siya kung journal, newspaper, ganyan. Okay? So, varchar, gawin natin 50. Ano tong field? Category, field. Tama, field. Okay, ang field niya, varchar din. Ang field dito ay kung ang IT ba siya or computer books, nursing, or criminology, ganyan. Education, right? So field, varchar, and then gawin natin 100. Year published, integer, okay na yung integer. Gawin na natin year lang yan ha, so 4. So gawin natin 5. 10, sige na. Quantity, integer. Wala naman sigurong isa't kalahati. So okay lang yung integer. Kapag meron sigurong 1.5, alright? So we'll be using decimal or double, ganyan. Okay, so quantity, integer, gawin natin 10. Yan. And then of course, we'll be setting your barcode as, saan na yun? Your primary key. Saan na yun? Hindi ko mahanap ulit yung primary key natin. It's here. Primary key. And then we will save this table. So again, our table name is TBL books. Then save. So under TB or DBOOP, your database name, we have here 2 tables na. TBL books and then TBL users. TBL books and then TBL user. Go back to this. Okay. Now, okay. So, ano mangyari? So, pag dapat i-fill up, so we will familiarize first your form, the objects we added in your form. So I have designed this, and then I added text boxes, and then combo boxes, and then buttons, and then a drop down, numeric drop down. Okay, so if here the name is TBL barcode or TXT, I'm sorry, then TXT title, TXT author, then CBO category, CBO field, and then the TXT year pub, and then numeric up down quantity or NUD quantity. And for the buttons naman, we have your BT and save, bid and view, and then your cancel. And then I added here a label 8. The text inside or to be displayed is a book has been added. Instead of, let me save. Pag-click mo ng save, and then, ano to? Okay, tama. So if here, bid and view. So pag-click mo ng save, you added, you filled up all the required, and then click ng save. Instead of showing a message box, ito na lang. Kasi kapag message box, mag-click ka pa or press ka pa ng enter para ma-click mo yung okay. Yun yung kapag message box. Wherein, kapag hindi message box, a book has been added, sabi niya. Then, okay na. Wala na siyang gagawin. Mag-input na lang siya ng bago without clicking or entering the keyboard. Okay? So, yun yung gamit na to. So, later on, papakita kung paano. Okay? So, of course, save. we will code your save button. So we will double click, and then meron akong binigay sa inyo na dun sa may codes natin needed nodes. Okay? So I will be using the insert kasi we will be adding new record. Beat and save, we will be adding new record. Insert into the name of the table, TBL books. TBL books. And then ano-ano yung mga yon? Ano-ano yung mga data na kailangan? We have here, under TBL books, the columns are author, yung arrangement na lang. Ang tignan natin. TBL books. We have here. Dito na lang. Books. Barcode, book title. Okay, so here. Barcode, book title, and then author category, and then field, yearpub, then yearpub. Kung anong spelling dito sa database, dun sa database yun din dapat. And then the last field is quantity. Okay? The arrangement of the fields is the same with the values. Kung saan niya kukunin yung ilalagay sa barcode, saan niya kukunin ilalagay sa book title. Okay? So since nauna ang barcode dito, mauna din ang txt barcode. Yan. Next is the book title. Txt book or the txt title. Okay, check natin sa database natin kung book title. Okay, tama. Then we have here, after book title, author. Txt author. And then txt CBO category. And then field. CBO. Field. Year published, and then quantity. Okay, year published. Txt year published, kulang ng isa, so kopyahin ko lang ito. Copy and then paste. Year pub and then quantity. Txt or nu, ano yun? The quantity, that text. Okay? So yan. Kung ano yung arrangement sa taas, yun din lang arrangement sa may values natin. And of course, TBL books natin. TBL books. Okay. So, mag-insert na yan. Mag-insert kapag clinic ko ang save. Now, lalagyan na natin ng, ng ibang rules. What if blanco yung mga yan? Blanco. And then click niya yung save. Kung ganyan yung code natin, itong code, magsa-save pa din siya. Kahit blanco yung mga yan. So, maybe you will be adding here. You will be adding if blanco, and then yun yung gagawin natin. Or gagawin nyo na lang. Okay? So, yung simple lang muna ha. Kahit, though pwede naman natin gawin ngayon, pero kulang tayo sa oras. Okay? Yung if lang, maglalagay pa tayo ng, sige, if, isa-isahin natin. Ito, txt barcode. Txt barcode.text. Kung empty, o kaya yung title ay empty, o kaya yung txt yearpub.text ay empty, ibig sabihin lahat required. Okay? O kaya ay txt 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, ano pa bang wala dito? Author title, author.text equal to empty, or cbo category.text equal to empty, or cbo field.text equal to empty then. What if may isa dito na empty? Anong gagawin niya? Okay? Anong gagawin niya? Anong gagawin niya? Okay? Sasabihin niya, let's say, message box, MSG box. All fields are required. All fields are required, sasabihin niya. Okay? So maglagay ako ng else. What if hindi empty? Dito na natin ilalagay ito. Kapag hindi empty, may laman, so ilalagay natin dito. Else, ito yung gagawin niya. Again, ito, ibig sabihin na to, may empty. Or, it's either ito, or ito, or ito, or ito, or ito ang empty. Kung merong empty doon, ito yung lalabas. All fields are required, sabihin niya. What if lahat na fill up? Okay, ito yung gagawin niya. Magre-record or magre-save. Okay, after mag-save, yung instead of, pwede naman message box, sasabihin niya na added, pero ito na lang. Yung label na lang natin. Let's say, LBL, gawin natin pangalan niya, LBL saved. LBL saved. Ito na lang. Yan, LBL saved. Lagyan na lang natin dito, LBL saved dot visible is equal to true. Yan. LBL save visible is equal to true. Okay? And then, bago muna, ilagay muna natin dito yung visible false muna para pag i-run natin ito, wala kang makikita. Hindi ito nagpapakita. Okay? Sige, gawin muna natin yung yung simple, yung message box muna. Okay? So, ito. Sasabihin niya, book has been saved. Halimbawa ganyan. O, try natin. Of course, dito sa main natin, wala pa tayong linagay dito para ilabas natin yung book na yon. So, maybe here, let's say manage. Halimbawa lang. Add books. Halimbawa, add books dito. Nasaan na? Ito, add books. Kapag click nila yan, lalabas si add books natin. So, frm add books .mdi parent equal to me, and then frm add books .show. Okay? So, kagaya din lang ng codes natin last time. So, before magpakita sa frm add books, ito muna magiging parent niya. And then, magpapakita. Para dun sa loob ng ng parent, which is main, magpapakita. Okay? So, let's try. Over here, our login form. Okay? Hindi pa natin hinide yung password natin. Okay? Maglalagin tayo. Yan. Okay? So, if you're administrator users, nandyan yung users, and then manage books, nandyan yung books. So inside nito ay lumalabas, inside ng ating parent, lumalabas yung mga to. Yan. Mga forms natin. So we will try to add book. Okay, blanco, save. All fields are required, sabi niya. O, maglagay tayo dito. Yan. All fields are required. Okay, sige, book title. Object oriented programming. Let's say the author is si Jack. Halimbawa, sino si Jack? Category, wala pa tayong linalagay dito na category. So for example, lagay na lang natin dito book. The field, wala pa tayong linalagay dito na so computer, lagay na lang natin dito. Ita-type muna natin ha, pero gumamit tayo ng combo box para mamili na lang. So gagawin natin yun later on. So publish siya ng 2019. Ilan? Let's say 5. O pwede ka mag-type 10. Ganyan. Okay? Save. Book has been saved. Sinabi na niya. Okay? Di ba sa code natin dito, yung code natin ay sinabi niya, book has been saved, and then wala na. Wala na nangyari. Walang mangyayari after na to. Okay? Kaya, wala din nangyari. Hindi nag-erase yung laman or yung mga text dito. Lumabas lang yung message box and then hanggang ganun lang. Kung meron ka pang gustong ipagawa, ilagay mo dito after books has been saved. Okay? So let's try to see si books. Nandun na. Ito na. As you can see, ito yung barcode niya. Ito, yan, hanggang dito. Quantity is 10. Year published. Na-save na niya. Okay? So, yun yung pag-save natin. Paano mag-save? Now, ibalik natin ito. What if ito yung gusto natin? Okay? Magpapakita sa saved yung ito, magpapakita yan, and then after 3 seconds mawawala. After 3 seconds mawawala. Okay? So, hindi ka man pwedeng magbilang kung wala kang timer. So, I'll be adding timer here. Timer. Okay? I just double click timer and then timer 1, enabled niya true. Gawin natin 3 seconds. Let's say sabihin natin 1,000. 1 second yun. So, 3 seconds ang sinasabi ko. So, 3,000. Okay, the interval we have here. Ginagawa niya yung code na yon every 3,000 yung interval. 3 seconds. Pero hindi yata 3 per second ay 1,000. 1, 2, or 1, 1. Ganyan. Okay? After 3 seconds, anong mangyayari? Ito, di ba, nagpakita and then mamaya mawawala. Okay? Ano yun? Paano yun? Okay, di ba nag-save tayo? Nag-save. Magpapakita yan. Alangan naman nandyan yan lagi. Dapat after 3 seconds, mawawala na yan. Para pag nag-save ko ulit, lalabas ulit yan. Okay? So, LDL, save that. Visible is equal to false. False. O, try natin ganyan. Nawala muna tayong okay, 1, login, that is manage books. So, 555, and then book title, let's say structured, operating system, si Jack ulit, category, let's say book, field, computer, and then year published, 2018, and then 5, save. Nagpakita nga, nawala. Agad-agad. Okay? Agad-agad ha? Agad-agad. Pero pag tignan natin dito, i-refresh natin, nandoon yung pangalawang book natin. Bakit agad-agad? Kasi nagbibilang yan. Kapag nagbibilang ng 3 seconds, sakto na pinindot natin, nagbilang na siya. 1, nag-start na siya nagbilang. Kaya, agad-agad ito. So, maybe, ito, naka-disable muna. Enabled false. Kapag nag-click ako ng save, okay? Kapag nag-click ako ng save, ang gagawin niya dito, timer 1 dot enable is equal to true. Tsaka na lang siya gagana. Okay? Kapag nagpakita na yan, and then after 3 seconds magpakita, after 3 seconds mawawala, and then magdi-disable ulit. So, si timer 1 natin, magdi-disable. Naging false ulit. Again ha, ito, kapag nag-click tayo ng save, ang gagawin nito, mag-enable si timer natin, magpapakita si label naman natin. So, gagana si timer. So, start na niya magbilang ng 3 seconds. So, 1, 2, 3, and then gagawin na niya ito. Mag-hide si label natin na save, sabi niya, and then mag-stop na siya magbilang. Kapag nag-save ko ulit, ganun lang ulit ang gagawin niya. So, let's try. So, ang book naman natin, web systems na, barcode na 111. Web systems, kumbaga, author, si Anna, and then category, wala tayong category, computer ulit, ay books pala, let's say journal, field, computer, year published 2020, and then dalawa lang, save. Pansinin nyo, wala, save, nandyan, and then after 3 seconds mawawala. And then halimbawa 112, another web systems na ginawa ni Ana, book naman, okay, 5, okay, save, magpapakita ulit yan, and after 3 seconds mawawala. Okay? So, pag tignan natin yung database natin, or backend here, nadagdagan ng, yun na, si Anang dalawa. Book and then journal. Okay? Alright. And then, ano ba? Dito sa may, ano natin, add books, we have here, category. Ang category natin, gaya ng sinabi ko dun sa mga previous videos natin, if you are creating or designing or creating a program or a system or a software, make sure that is generic. When you say generic, again, when you say generic, gawa ka ng program na pwede sa lahat. Na pwedeng madagdagan after a year, pwedeng mabawasan. Okay? So, include natin sa database yung ganon. Na yung halimbawa, ang category, 'di ba? Sabi ko, maybe journal, books, newspaper, halimbawa yung mga ganyan. What if next year meron pang bago? Okay? Kung linagay mo na sa code yung tatlo, so next year, wala na. Di mo na pwedeng dagdagan. So when it's generic, after a year, pwede mo pang dagdagan. Okay? So kinukuha niya sa database yung data na nandoon. Okay? So paano natin gawin yon? Okay? So we will be adding, meron ba tayo dito? Display combo box, meron. Okay? So we'll be adding a table, okay? Another table to store the different category. Okay, category. So we will create table. So TBL category. Kahit number and then yung category. So we have number. Kahit isa. Sige, sabihin natin isa. Category. Category. Varchar. And then let's say 50. And then okay na yon. Save. So, dito sa category natin, let's try to add. Kasi since first time pa lang ito, so wala pa. So, mag-add muna tayo. So, I will be adding or sige, we will insert sa table category. Okay? Insert into table category. Okay? Value. Let's say, category. Book. Ganyan. So, go. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, table category meron ng laman na isa. Nasaan? Ito. Yan, book. So, we will try to add more. Okay, insert. Si category, journal. Journal. Halimbawa, ganyan. Go. Ito ay kung category. Dalawa na. Okay? So we have here our table name, TBL category, and then dalawa dapat ang lalabas diyan. Dalawa ang lalabas diyan. Okay? So we will try to add here para lalabas dito. So yung code natin nandito, display tables to combo box. Okay? So I will just copy this one. Copy. And then lalagay ko dito. Kapag nag-load itong form, huhugutin na niya yung data dun sa table natin at ilalabas na niyan dito. So, lalagay ko sa form load. So, lalagay ko dito, halimbawa, yan. Okay? And then, okay? So, ito pag nag-error ng ganyan, ibig sabihin, meron pa tayong kailangang ilagay din sa top. Okay? Kagaya ng ginawa natin dito. So, kukunin ko lang yon, imports, copy and paste na lang. Okay? Ilalagay ko dun sa pinakataas. Yan. And then, mawawalan yung nag-error dyan. Select. When you say distinct, again, distinct is will eliminate duplicate. What if dalawa yung books na nandun? Hindi natin alam, dalawa pala yung books, okay? So, select distincts and then category. Category. Ito, category. I-select niya, i-display niya lahat ng nandun sa category. From TBL category. From this table, TBL category. Okay? And then, ito, category. Kung anong pangalan ng table. Okay? Then CBO reason. CBO category, dun siya magdi-display. Copy, paste, paste. Let's try. Okay, 1, plug in. manage books. So dapat nandito na, journal or book. After a year, meron ng bagong category. So maybe maglalagay ka na lang sa settings, add category, and then meron kang ganito sa category na mag-add ka ng category and then save, and then pag click mo dito, nandun na rin yan. Yung in-add mo siya or in-add mong bago. Okay? So dapat ganun ang gawin natin. Generic. Pwede mong dagdagan. Okay? Same true with the field. 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 Pwede ka namang gumawa ng isa pa dun sa ating table. Okay? So pwede ka namang gumawa ng ano yung sinasabi ko kanina? Gumawa ng table, another table to display the fields naman. Yung mga fields naman, ito. Saan yung fields natin? Ito, yung mga fields. To display the fields. Okay? And then gawin mo din lang, gagaya ng ginawa natin dito kanina sa ito. I-copy mo lang yan, and paste mo lang dyan, okay? And then magdi-display din lang doon yung mga fields. Okay? And then, ang view sana, since wala pa tayo nun, so hindi pa natin muna gagawin, and then cancel, magka-close itong form na to. Ang view, lalabas sana ito. Mapapakita lahat ng mga na-save na books. Okay? And then we have here, hindi pa pala tapos ito. Okay, we have here. After mo nag-save, kung napansin nyo kanina, hindi nawala yung mga text. What if mag-save ka ulit or mag-add ka na ng panibagong books? So you need to click and then delete, click, delete. No, hindi dapat ganon. Dapat computer or yung program mo na mismo ang gagawa noon. So after ka mag-save, dapat nag-delete na. Okay? So after mo mag-save, dapat mag-delete na. So i-delete na natin. txt barcode.clear. Yun yung shortcut niyan. Hindi yung .text is equal to ganyan. txt barcode.clear, txt author.clear, txt title.clear, txt yearpub.clear, cbo, kung gusto mong palitan, okay lang, category.text, sige, mag-clear, cbo field.text, and then let's say, okay, ganun na. Yan, let's try. Rents, 1, yan, manage, add books. So, 7, book title, operating system, author, si Ana, category, okay, journal, or let's say book, field, computer, year published, 2020, dalawa. Okay, pansinin nyo, pag click ko ng save, mawawala yung mga nakasulat dyan. Yun, added. And then, pwede ako maglagay ng isa. Kasi linagay na natin doon. Alright? So, for now, yun na lang muna. And then later on, we will be adding a view or view our form for to view the different books that was stored in the database. And then of course, to manage yung books natin. Let's say may magbaborrow, ano mangyayari? Magbabawas ng isa. Binalik niya, mag-a-add ulit ng isa. Okay? So, yun muna for now. Then, paalam.